guys, welcome to our channel. So today we are at the BBS Mall, as you can see, and it is located in Eastleigh, Nairobi, Kenya. It is apparently the biggest mall in East and Central of Africa, and we're going to be giving you a tour of it so that you can see what to expect when you're in the area and you're looking to shop around. If you're new to this channel, kindly consider subscribing, hit that like button, and also leave us a comment so that we can know what you think about this video. The BBS Mall is host to 3,500 shops, 12 commercial banks, and 7-star hotels. Moreover, it is the only mall with a world-class mosque inside its premises. This may be largely attributed to the fact that it is built in a Somali-dominated region. Hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. Please leave us a comment on the comment section so that we can know what you think about this video. And I don't know if you guys remember Abdi from the previous videos that we did. Please go support him on his channel. It's called Passport Light. He also does videos, and it was because of him that these videos were possible in our channel. Let's continue with the tour. As we leave Isili, we are taking nothing but fond memories from this place as it has created very clean environment for business to thrive in this area. So thank you so much for watching. Tune in for the next video.